Hi, I'm with Badger Basket, here to show you the assembly instructions for model number 15302. Before you get started, make sure you look at all the pieces and you have everything required. If anything is damaged or you are missing anything, contact Badger Basket as shown in the end of the video. So let's get started. So let's start with step 1 and step 2. I'm going to combine these steps to make the assembly a little bit easier. So what you need what's the footboard, which is part A. It's the smaller of the two pieces. Then you need the two side rails, which are parts B, and the baseboard, which is part C. So what I'm going to do is put together first the rails on the footboard. So to do that, we need to put the rails going away from the rose part. So they're going to be on this side. Now you'll notice on these rails that they have a side that is wavy, a wavy design. That design is going to be going facing down. And then you're going to notice the side has a groove. The groove needs to go to the inside of the bed. So we're going to put it going this way on the footboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to screw these in place, matching it to the two screws that are on the footboard. And we're going to put those in place. And then putting the other side rail on the other side, wavy side going down, groove to the middle, and put these screws in place. Now for this assembly, I'm going to be using a drill just to make it a little bit easier. If you choose to use the drill, make sure you have the torque at the lowest setting so you don't strip the wood. Otherwise, feel free to use a Phillips hand screwdriver. So let's get these screwed in place. Now to put the bottom piece in, what I'm going to do is stand this up so you can see that the two grooves are going to align. That's where your base is going to go. Now you'll want the white side facing up towards the top of the bed and the brown side facing down. And what we're going to do is we're going to slide that right into place here. Just like that. And that concludes step 1 and step 2. Now moving on to step 3. Step 3 is where we're going to be placing the headboard onto the bed. The headboard is part D, and where this is going to go is on the opposite side of the footboard with the roses facing the same direction, so that when you're looking at it, you can see both the footboard and the headboard in the pretty design. So to make this a little bit easier, I'm actually just going to tip this whole thing up, kind of the way we had it, and put this right on top so that it makes it a little bit easier to screw it on. So for this one, we're just going to put those same 4 screws in, just like we did the footboard, and screw those into place. For step 4, now we're going to be putting the doll bedding onto the doll bed. So what we're going to do is put this white blanket on here, which can be either used as a mattress or a blanket. We'll put the decorative pillows on there as well. And we are all set. If you have any questions or concerns after this, please reach out to Badger Basket as instructed in the end of the video. Otherwise, enjoy and thanks for watching.